Hi, I'm attorney Derek Martin with Driver Defense Team, a Chicago area law firm. And today we're talking about the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. Cook County is divided into 6 different districts, and Rolling Meadows is one of them. Rolling Meadows is the 3rd district in Cook County. And so any sort of traffic ticket or other case, arrest, things like that happen in the towns and cities surrounding, in this case, Rolling Meadows, will have court at the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. It is a busy courthouse, just like all the other ones in Cook County. Rolling Meadows, like I said, we'll hear everything from traffic cases, misdemeanor cases, all the way up to felony cases are heard there. And like I said, it's busy because it covers a lot of towns that are pretty large in size. A lot of DUIs are there. We handle many DUI cases there. In fact, we handle about 300 cases a year in the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. A lot of the DUIs and other traffic-related things come from towns like Rosemont or Schaumburg, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Barrington, Schiller Park's a big one. All of those towns write a lot of tickets and have a lot of DUIs, and so those cases all go to the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. So starting right from the top, the Rolling Meadows Courthouse is located in Rolling Meadows, of course. It's located at 2121 Euclid Avenue. It's directly across the street from the Arlington racetrack, the horse racing track there. So it should be pretty easy to find. If you do have court there, there is free parking right there in front of the building in the parking garage. It's a really big parking garage. The main level is usually full. You can go downstairs, you can go upstairs and park all day there if necessary for free. And then you go up this long corridor, you walk up this long corridor up to the front of the courthouse. Once you get inside there, will have to go through security. Obviously, you want to check what you can bring in. You can bring your cell phone into that courthouse. Many courthouses you cannot, but you can bring your courthouse into these Cook County courthouses, all with the exception of the main courthouse, 26th in California. So you can bring your cell phone. Obviously, you want to have it on silent or something like that. But once you get through security, you will see that there is the clerk's office. It's a very big office. There are a bunch of people in there. And the clerk's office is important because that's where you file motions, look up your case, but you can also pay your tickets. That's probably the most common reason people are in the clerk's office. You can pay your tickets in that clerk's office. Then on that main floor, there are 10 courtrooms. They're labeled 101, 102, and so on and so forth. 2 of them are felony rooms. And those judges are Judge Cataldo and Judge Goebel currently. Both of them excellent judges. But there are only 2 felony rooms in the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. The rest are reserved for civil matters or traffic and criminal. So there's a lot on that first floor. Also, if you go up the escalator or the elevator to the 2nd floor, courtrooms are labeled 201, 202, 203, all the way up through 210. The majority of those are also for traffic. In those traffic and misdemeanor rooms, the judges there are going to rotate. And pretty much every day they rotate. So you're not quite sure which judge you're going to get on any given day. But I will also note that all of those misdemeanor and traffic judges are excellent. There are a ton of them. I know every single one of them, and I can tell you that they're all excellent to work with. They're fair, they're reasonable. Same thing with the state's attorneys and the village prosecutors there. There are far worse places that you can be for court than Rolling Meadows. So you should at least know that. We handle about 300 cases there every year. So we have a lot of experience with those prosecutors, those judges, and the procedures in the Rolling Meadows Courthouse. So hopefully this provides you a little bit of comfort if you do have court there. If you have a lawyer representing you like us, we'll always meet you right outside the courtroom. But even if you're on your own or you haven't yet hired a lawyer, hopefully this gives you a little bit of understanding of what the courthouse is like and eases your nerves a little bit. Usually nothing to be nervous about. Depends on your type of case, of course. If you have any questions about this, by all means, let us know. If you want to talk about your case, we're always available to do that. Thank you for watching this video about the Rolling Meadows Courthouse in Cook County, Illinois. Thanks.